Good morning, everybody. So this is what I do for the housework today, and as you see that the grills is there, and I already put that before I start to make the video. I already have this the work it already they're finished in some of our area. So now they're doing the extension row for outside, and they're processing with the what's this, I don't know how long, what size of that for the extension, but I have to label the gate, roof, and in front, and supposed to be this area is a store. So yeah, I want them to extend, because when the rain it comes, it's blowing inside, and this area is full of water. So that's why. And also I want them to put the bar extension for what's this, security, so for more security, and also looks good. So that's it, and the guys there keep doing. So yep, actually I have to what I have to do is voiceover, because they're playing loud music while they're working, so I don't want to upload with the music to have avoid with any copyright. So yep, they're spotting, and this time this guy inside, he never know that they have my Wi-Fi, what's this, wire there. He accidentally spot inside the purlins, the metal purlins. So that's why I lose internet for maybe a few weeks, and yeah, I don't have internet for that time after that he accidentally spot with the welding. And this guy, they're very handy, so they're very handy to work, and they have two welding machine, portable welding machine. And here's my brother after the next day. He was painting the roof.
That's my brother.
He visited me here for just 2 days, and
because
while he's here,
he
he's painting the roof. Before is green,
his daughter
and now it's gray. So this is the guy that they are doing the roof thing, because they can only work is Saturday, Sunday, but Monday to Friday they can't, because they have a regular job, so the only that they have to do with the weekend. So they already finished with the extension roof. As you see, the flashing is double up from down, and later I still, they don't put the flashing yet over here, the new roof. So later next day that they have to install that, so it looks different. And also the area of here, the grills, I have to close that, some of the area, and I just want to have the open for, if I want to have a store. So yep, my brother, he's doing the painting on the top, and yeah, as you see, that is green, the old roof, and I changing with gray, so it's anti-rush. And that's my younger brother. I'm glad he visited me here, so I have to take advantage the time that he's here, so he's doing that for me instead me to do it, to climb there over on the top and then do it itself. Right. So it's a good visit then that he did in its timing. Actually, it took him for 1 day, the whole roof. He painted the whole roof for 1 day. And there's the next day again for this guy. They're coming back and do some finish the work too. This area, is between on the living room and the garage. This one is at the garage area, and the other side is the living room. So they have to form the board to size there for the division over the top. Yeah, this guy, they can work all around. They can work everything, welding and anything, they can do it. And actually they're younger than me and they have lots of skills. Right, so now they're going to install now that area. And I'm glad they have their own ladder, and I have mine, the other one. I'm glad they brought another one. Right, as you see this board over here, and also I put the grills there. I have to take that off, and maybe in the future I have to do that in the glass, sliding glass, so I can see through from the living room to outside. You can close, and also I can put the curtain cover for privacy. Right, so now they're going. It looks good. So they use actually the rivet, they're drilled because I had the inside they installed the frame as the 1.2 tubular, and then they can drill and use a rivet to hook this hardy board. So now they're installing the flashing for the new roof. So that's what it looks like right now. So as you see from the top is 3 layer or 2 layer of the roof had the flashing, because this last one that they are working now, that is the new one that I extend to level on this garage area. So now this area they are starting to cover. This is the next day again. They're cover the front, starting cover the front, and later the result it's changed. Is you can see how much the open area that they're closed, because it still looks like it's skeleton outside it. I don't want to close. I can't. Gak pergi. So this time they already finished outside, and they are putting the lock for the grills here, the door. So I can lock when I get inside, and yep, and that's the finishing work what they do. So it takes for them 4 days, not straight, because Saturday and Sunday, and then the next week again they have to go back Saturday and Sunday, right? Saturday and Sunday. So 4 days for them to do all this the work, and I'll have to give you a tour later after this video, what they're finished and all is done. And actually I have to do with the painting all these grills, and I do some of the area already there, and let's go. Alright guys, so this is the one that I'm talking about, that I have to tour you all the works that they do. And that one, the division, this is the garage area, and I put all the grills over here. Is also here, which is this one is temporary, so the dog don't get inside, right? So here's the first one, and also this another one that they already do. And I put the small miss wire here, so they cannot get inside there and poop and pee. So that's what I know. And they put the lock. This is the one that they put the lock, right? And let's go outside. And also this one before, they don't have a bar, it's just only this miss wire, and the additional for more secure, right? So let me go outside. So I don't know if you see. So this is the one that they are putting inside. Ang basura gali ang isda. So that's what it looks like, as you see that before is different. This area is open, and I just put this one open. So when I start my store, I have already a window here for for whatever they have to buy. Ang ako na ay ko na tapos. Ang ari lang natakaan ko kay 30 ka uti. So this one, the flashing, that is the second one we do before. So the old one is on the top. So now that's what looks like. Alright, my mom. So that's it. Watching. And now you see the work that I have done for a few weeks that I've been very busy. So, well, I am happy for the progress of my home. At least now I can, you know, it's getting complete. So, thank you for watching. And by the way, additional, I have a very, very, you know, have teeth ache. So that's why my talking is just like, you know, limited. So, but I'll be fine. Tomorrow is my schedule again for the dentist, and let's see what he can work. Right. So thank you for watching again, and God bless everyone, and have a great day. Have a good night. So, bye bye.